Thank you, sana.
Okay. Okay, tara. Good evening, everyone. Sorry, I wasn't gonna prepare my message, but 18 years of my past, my present, and my futures. 18 years of new friends, old friends, and so much more to come. Mga overwhelmed. I know na nilipagitanan. Tanan. Nakapagod ko taghan kayo i-invite. Nakapagod kayo i-invite. Pero like, asa ako kanina to? Dili man makaya. Pero, sa nakadilitanan, tita, tito, ninang, ninong, ate, kuya, mga amiga na ko, from old school, new school, yung katong mga, you know, like, thank you sa pag-aral. Thank you sa pag-apil. Thank you sa apil sa kabuuan. Like, alam mo guys, this party wasn't necessarily planned by me. It was planned all by my mother and like my lolas and my... Habang mo nga, no? 4 weeks. 4 weeks from test to midterms to defense to retreat. Kasunod na 4 weeks na wala ko natabang nila mama. Ang akong natabang na dyan, magbarog na ko, mag-cellphone, kaya naghimo beef among ang research. Si mama nagtanaw kung sakto na ba akong sinina. Niya mga tanang, ano sa'yo mong ganahan? Ano yung sabi, kabaw na mama, kabaw. So, ikot kayo siya. Tangod na sa akong mama, sa akong family, sa akong mga manghod. Ako ko sa manghod, ha? Nakatabi. Kasi matabi ako, papa. Pero like, thank you. Yeah, Ate Andy, thank you. Guys, there's so much more to come for my life and for all of yours. And I hope na kanang mga 100 years na ako, 100 years na or more, kay ganata mong big task. 100 years and more, I hope na naamutanan. Yan, naamo mo dito. Bisa, like, guys, ang mga classmates na ako, mga kabatchmates na ako, mga graduate na ta. Mga graduate na ta. Mga college na ta. Mas successful na ta. Amen! Mas successful na ta. And I hope that me and you will be able to see each other in a stage with a high honor.
You are?
Manifestation. Amen, Lord. 18 years of my life, and all of you has been a big part of it. No. Nilito ba nila? Hilang si Mama. Okay. 18 years. Thank you. Katong mga childhood friends na ako, naabot din eh. Akong mga cousins na ni Sayang. By the way, dancer, my angels. Sorry, wako katabang sa inyo ha. Sayang, sorry, wala ako dito. Nag-practice mo. Nagising yung ate. Thank you. Thank you so much sa pag-apel-apel. Kabaw ko nag-intrams mo ron. I love you. Mwah! Sa ako, ang mga friends, old and new. Ay, old na lang mo tanan. Pareho naman mong 80. Anyways. Say, thank you. Ang uban, wala na ba ako katabi. Kay, na-busy sa school sa ilaha. Oh my God, guys. Thank you sa pag-are. Thank you sa mga gifts. Thank you sa mga katawa in that 18 years that you've been part of my life. Thank you for everything. Sa akong mga auntie, sa akong mga uncle, sa akong ninong, sa mga ninang, huwag ko kabaw-asa mo. Pero what's up? You've been a guiding light in my life, and I really, really appreciate it. Please continue on being one. Kailangan ba dyan ako ang guidance eh? O saan man yun nato? Bata. Dito matiguang pa. Ay, kabala ka. Okay. Lola, thank you for the support. Sila, every time na mag-ilis ko na, sila, asa naman to akong kuan? Lola, thank you sa everything. Sa pag-suporta, sa being a stage grandmother, gikan pag kindergarten na ako, na-achieve ka dito. Thank you so much for everything. Ma, pa, okay, kunyara na. Mga manghod na ako, Stephen, Stanley, Seth, Sky. Both room number 1, ay 2, 3, 4, 5. Ako man number 1. So like, like, thank you. About ko, dili mo ganahan kayo mo sayo, or like, dili mo ganahan kayo magtabi, pero na-adjun mo dire. Beautiful sister pa ko, no? Guys, beautiful sister. You all have been a witness. My brother called me beautiful. Okay? Witness mo. Please keep that in mind because ako na ang gamiton in the future. And you will be like kapuan. Basta, thank you. Mga manghod na ako. Baby, thank you. Mwah. Ma, pa, thank you for giving birth to me, for giving me this party, for always giving me everything that I wanted and so much more. And sorry if napalabihan ang akong kiyato. Sorry kung mugawas ko. Usahay kay malaan. Sorry kung wako katabang sa birthday preparation because really, and thank you. You don't know how much you mean to me and you don't know how much I love you and you don't know how much you have given me everything. Aba mo, every time na mag-talk ko sa akong mga friend about me being the only girl and the eldest child, may na sila eldest child. Di, mga kuwan ko na, mga, sa panganay, too capable ka na, dili ko naman, Rico, di mo ka too capable ba? Di mo sa ko responsible. Ako, soltera Junila. I'm the eldest and the only girl, so that means that I am spoiled. You know na, in a way, oy, nako limitation, pero like, spoiled man dyan. Saan mo na to? Oo man, pero like, sa nini mo mapa, ang spoiled ko. I love you, by the way. Like, thank you. For
Itago na si Papa.
Aha?
Si Papa nitago. Itago si Papa.
Ay ba, ay magtago? Hindi na po ang good. Like, inyo nang sana spoil ko, but thank you. Thank you for letting me know that dapat na naay limit. Thank you for raising me to be capable, for raising me to be a good sister, for raising me to be a good daughter. And thank you for raising me to be a good friend to everyone here, to be a good niece, to be a good granddaughter. Wala, daghan na yung kay to thank you. And God, ikaw na ang bahala na ako, ikaw na ang bahala sa mga tao karon. May they get home safe and thank you for the blessings, for the people, and for the loves, and for the 18 years. Thank you. Everyone, naradyo ko yung usa isulti ninyo ka na. Taas na dyan na ganiha. Okay, for usa ako isulti. I have not, the people here I have not talked to for years. Some I have talked to every day. Some I have just met. And some that I know for a fact will stay with me for eternity. And one thing I want to say to all of you, thank you.